Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. In this episode today, in my Power BI series, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create an own measure table for your DAX measures in order to get more structure inside of your measures. Check it out. So guys, what you see here is Power BI report. You see quite some tables. You see here some measures on the right side. And our goal is, just to create a new table for the measures. So in order to do this, click on the Home tab, and then we need new data here. This symbol here. And what we will do is we'll create a so-called disconnected table. So we give this table a name, and you see this one column over here. You can put in your name, for example, just for demonstration purposes. This column is not relevant. You can hide it a little bit later. Now, if we load now, we will load this table as a disconnected table inside of the data model. But it's not related to any other table, as we know from the normal fixed tables or the other tables. It's just there, it's just there. It's like a container who's just waiting for content. Now, if you see this table now, please stick to this model view. Then you have your measure list here on the right side. So what you do is you just mark all these measures with the appropriate keyboard shortcuts and with the mouse. And then you move it, you drag and drop it into your measure table. Now, if you ask yourself, why did he name this table a zero underline measure table? Now, the reason is the automatic result order from Power BI is alphabetic. So normal ways, you want to have this measure table on the top. Now, if you rename it with zero underline, you make sure that you have it on the top in the order, and this is your advantage because now you can always check out your measures on the top side of your field list. And from now on, if you right click, then you always can create your measures in this place, in this disconnected table, and you don't have, mix and match between different tables. So in my mind, this should help you to get a little bit more structure, a little bit more organization when you're working with your DAX measures. I hope you guys got some insight on how to create your own measure table for your DAX calculations. So if you like this video, please consider liking the video or subscribe to my channel if you wish more further videos like this one. I see you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.